I am Mr. PC Neogi, teacher from Government Girls Higher Secondary School. Today, I will teach mathematics to class 8 students. This is chapter 4. The topic is cubes and cube roots. So students, you see today's learning objectives are to understand cube numbers and their properties, to identify different patterns in cube numbers, to find the cube root of a perfect cube by prime factorization. Now, first of all, we have to know what is a cube. So geometrically, you have to learn the cube. Cube, it is just like a box, and in this box all the edges, they are equal. So in a box, if all the edges are not equal, they are known as cuboid. But in case of cube, all the edges are equal. See the picture. This is another cube. Different colors are given here, and these are known as faces. See in this picture, here all the lines are drawn. These are edges, then faces, and all the corners are known as vertex or vertices. Let us proceed to the exercise, but before going to that, we will learn about the cube number and perfect cube number. Number which is obtained when multiplied by itself twice is known as a cube number or perfect cube. For example, 1. 1 is a number. If I multiply it itself twice, 1 into 1 into 1, what is the result? It is 1. Similarly, 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 8, etc. So this is known as cube number or perfect cube, like 1, 8, then 27, then 64. Next part, a natural number is called a perfect cube if there exists another natural number, a, another natural number, for example, it is taken a, such that this perfect cube, it is taken n equal to a into a into a equal to a cube. For example, 1 cube is 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125, 6 cube 216, etc. Let us proceed to exercise 4.1. In this exercise, first question is given, find the cube of the following numbers. So number A, 13 cube. So 13 multiply 13 multiply 13, you will get the result 2197. And this multiplication in the right hand side, you show it. Similarly, number B, 18 cube, 18 into 18 into 18. So the result is 5832. Question number 1, number C. There is a decimal, so 7.9 cube. 7.9 into 7.9 into 7.9. So you multiply 7.9 into 7.9. Then again it has to be multiplied by another 7.9. Then the result is coming 493.039. This is the answer. But this multiplication in the right hand side, you show it. I am showing it here. See, 7.9 into 7.9, and you get the result 62.41. Again you multiply it by 7.9. So you are getting the result 493.039. Question number 2. Match the digit at the ones place of the cubes of the following numbers. Students, you try to understand the question. In the right hand side, some numbers are given, and in the left hand side also. In the left hand side, these are the numbers, perfect cube, like for example 4725. Now after calculating this perfect cube, this number 4725, the result whose ones place means from the right hand side, the first number, it is given in the right hand side. Okay, it is not the cube root of 4725. Here it is given just 5. 5 is the ones place of that number. So 4725, after calculating the cube root, you will get the result, and in that result the first unit place number will be 5. Then number B, 7683, cube root of this, you will get the number, and in that number, in unit place, the result is 7. Similarly, 572, you will get 8. 629, you will get 9. And 1,12,171, perfect cube of this number. The result, what you will get in that result, the unit place number will be 1. Next, exercise 4.2. This is question number 1. Find the cube roots of the following numbers by prime factorization. See students, 5832. You have to calculate the cube root. Cube root is written in this way. Square root just simply written, and when it's cube root, 3 is mentioned. And prime factorization, that means you have to split the numbers into the prime factors. So I have splitted 5832 in the right hand side. So you see, first I divided it by 2, then again by 2, then again by 2, then by 3, again by 3, again by 3. In this way, I am getting how many 2's? 3. How many 3's we are getting? 6. But I have divided 3, 3. So that means 2 cube, 3 cube, and 3 cube. So I am writing here 5832. 2 cube multiply 3 cube multiply 3 cube. And remember, this cube root and cube, they are cancelled each other. That's why 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. This is the result. And when you multiply, 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18, 18 is your answer. Now, the same sum you can do by shortcut method of finding cube root of a cube number. So this will be your shortcut method. You try to understand before you have done this 5832 by prime factorization method. Now this 5832, the cube root of 5832, you will calculate by shortcut method. So in this shortcut method, from the right hand side, you group the numbers, 3 numbers in one group from the right hand side. So 5832, if you take 3 numbers in one group, 3 digits in one group from the right hand side, so 832, it is one group, and 5 will be your single digit group. So first group it is 5, and second group it is 832. What we have to see, it is clearly mentioned here. here the number is ending with 2. So its cube root will have 8 because 2 to the power 3 is 8. Okay, and this 8 at its ones place. Now again I'm telling you, here the number is ending with 2. Okay, fine. So its cube root, now try to understand this, will have 8 at its ones place. Why? You choose a number, say 2. If I choose a number 2, or suppose 3, 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27. So in ones place you are getting 7. That is the ones place from the right hand side. So here from the right hand side, ones place number is 2. To get this 2, you need a number 8, because 8 8 is a how much? 64. 64 into 8, 8 4 is a 32. So 2 is coming. Okay, students. Then the perfect smaller than 5, that means the perfect cube, it will be perfect cube smaller than 5 is how much? 1, because in the first group this is 5. So smaller than 5, which is a perfect cube number? That perfect cube number is 1, because 2 is not a perfect cube number, 3 is not a perfect cube number, 4 is not a perfect cube number, 1 is a perfect cube number. 1 into 1 into 1, 1 cube equal to 1. So that one you have to see, that 1 means 1 cube, and that one you have to take in the tens place. So 1, and the number 8, as I explained it to you, that 8 you have to take it in the ones place. So cube root 5832 is 18. Okay, you practice it at home, you will understand it. Little bit difficult. Okay, I will explain another sum. See, 42,875. So from the right hand side we have to make a group. So 3 digits in one group, that is 875. Then remaining 42, this is 2 digits in the first group. I am taking 42. In the second group I am taking 875. Now you see, the first digit, it is 5 from the right hand side. The number is ending with 5. So its cube root will have how much? Means which number cube is equal to the ones place. Again you will get this 5. Say 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 7 is the ones place, 4 cube is 64, 64, 4 is in ones place, 5 cube is 125. So 5 is in ones place. This is 5. That's why its cube root will have 5 at its ones place. Okay, so you got the result, 5 in ones place. Now you come to the first group, 42. The perfect cube smaller than 42, that is you have to find out. So smaller than 42, which number is the perfect cube? That is 27, because we know 64, then before 64 is 27, before 27 is 8, and before 8 is 1. Okay, so now smaller than 42, this first group number, it is 27, and 27 you can write 3 cube. Which cube? 3 cube, and that 3 you bring it in the tens place. So first you got 5 at ones place, and 3 you got in tens place, that is 35. So the result is coming cube root 42,875 equal to 35. It's very interesting, but you have to understand it. So students, the same sum, you practice it at home nicely, you will understand it better. Thank you so much.